is more than just a school to me. It's my second family. It is, I wake up every day and I think that I'll go to school, and I'm so excited to meet my friends, to meet my teachers. The environment here is irreplaceable, and I'm sure that when I grow up, my school days will be the ones that I miss the most. I'm grateful to have been a Thesian.
Once a Thesian,
Always a Thesian.
always a Thesian, right?
I have been here at TIHS since step 1, and it has been truly a great journey, and I will cherish this school forever, and I will miss the school so much, the teachers, the people. I am so grateful to be here and to have gotten my education from here. Truly grateful.
God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's the most valuable lesson you have learned at TIHS?
Namaskar, ma'am. The lesson that I've learned in TIHS was never to give up, and I continue this policy with me. When I go out from the school, I'll keep this particular feeling that I'll never give up in my life. Wherever I go, whatever I do, I have to believe in myself. I have to do whatever I think I can do, I can achieve, because nothing is impossible. Thank you so much.
Namaskar, dear Thesian. So, how have the teachers at TIHS guided and supported you?
So I've been in this school since the past 10 years. So I feel like each and every teacher has guided me and influenced me in one way or the other. In my third standard, I used to be really shy, but I feel like now I'm not that much shy. I've learned a lot from each and every teacher, and yeah, the teachers are great. They are the best.
And I wish I could spend more time over here, because leaving this place is not that easy how it seems. And yeah, I'll miss TIHS a lot. Thank you.
How does the Indian Heights School help in shaping your child's future?
My child spent 12 years in this school, and I still remember the first day, the way he made connections with each of the teachers every year, with all the class teachers, all the subject teachers, and the constant support that he has got from the coordinator ma'am, Bandna ma'am, the principal ma'am. So this place is like a second home to him. He spends the most of his time in this school, so it has a big role to play, and the teachers are like his parents only, the contributions that they have made. I'm really thankful for shaping his future. I'm sure he's going to do well. Thank you.
So, Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar.
Ma'am, if you had to describe the Indian Heights School in one sentence, what would it be?
It is amazing. It has made my child what I never expected him to be. Such a disciplined one, and he actually takes the responsibilities.
हो किया सरस्वती को, एंड एक बच्चे में मैं देख रही हूँ जो आप सबने उनके अंदर इम्बाइब किया है, उनके अंदर जो वैल्यूज डाले हैं ना, मैं एक बच्चे में देख रही हूँ द फ्यूचर, very bright and beautiful future. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity to students, to parents, to everyone here. I'm so glad. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Namaskar, Divyansha.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Looking back, how would you describe your journey at TIHS?
My journey at TIHS has been a fun and memorable one. I have made friends who I hope would stay for a lifetime. I've met teachers who have inspired me to do better, and the school management has always supported me and helped me in my journey.
So, children, what does TIHS mean to you?
Transformational.
Okay.
Intellectual.
The S stands for holistic.
And the S stands for scholastic.